Okay, time for a quick channel update. G'day everybody, welcome back. Yes, it will be quick. So just a couple of where we're at with a couple of things, I guess. The last update I gave, I told you that I had received the pistons for the GS1000 and also the gasket kit, the pattern part gasket kit that I'd ordered. Since then, I've gone and dropped the cylinder head and the barrels off at the engine rebuilders so that they can machine the bores and fit new guides and do all the work that we need done on that engine. I've also received from Suzuki the parts that I ordered from them. So that includes a brand new genuine Suzuki cylinder head gasket and a bag with all the valve guide seals and the bolts for the cam and the oil gallery O-rings and the cylinder O-rings. So I've got all of those bits now. So we've got just about everything that we need to put this thing, get this thing back together. However, it's about 3 week, about a 3 week wait at the machine shop. 1 week of that has now passed, so we've got about another fortnight before he'll be finished with the machining, because he's just got such a big backlog of work. And school holidays here in Tasmania, and he was taking the week off last week. So he took the week off. He's got about another 2 weeks before he can get to it. So that's that. Also, the GS1000, I finished the bracket for the master cylinder clamp come mirror. I stripped all the paint off that XS 1100 fuel tank that I want to modify. I had an opportunity at work to, during my break, to coat the thing in paint stripper and give it a good clean off to see what was underneath that horrible black paint. It was terrible, that stuff. It was really thick, very heavily crazed. I don't know what it was, but it was terrible, and it took a couple of goes with the paint stripper to get it off. I didn't film it. I took some photographs. Those of you that follow Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions on Facebook would have seen the photos. It's not his first rodeo, so it's got quite a lot of filler. There's been quite a number of dents, and of course there's a couple of new ones in there as well. How much access I'm going to have once I cut that panel out, I don't know. Whether we're going to be able to get in there well enough. I thought about making one of those like a pelican beak that you can put down in there and massage some of the dents out through the fuel filler hole. I don't know whether or not it's going to be of any use. I haven't tried it yet. Still just debating. I might take this tank, I think, to a panel beater friend of mine and get him to assess it and see what he thinks. One of the dents, I'm not worried too much about the smaller dents. I'll just use body filler. But one of the dents on the top sort of edge of the fuel tank is right across a very important profile line on the panel. So that one might be a game changer. I don't know, not being a paint and body guy. But anyway, I've made a start on that, so that's where I'm at with that. This thing, it's not in a good place. It's pretty well stuffed, but I don't know what's wrong with it, but there's something seriously wrong with the engine, so that's going to have to come apart. I'm not in a position to deal with it at this stage, so it's just going to have to sit here. I want to wait till the GS1000's gone. Farm Fresh has just become a parts bin because the poor bloke that owned the bike, he's had this horrible relationship breakdown thing happening, and he can't get there and get the bits that he needs that were missing from the bike. So critical parts like carburetors and half the exhaust system and a heap of other stuff. So it's just going to be a parts bin in my view. So I guess one benefit of that is that I've got another fuel tank. It's also got a big dent in it, but it may be better than this other one, so I think I'll strip the paint off it and see how we go. All right, so that's about it. That's where I'm up to. Ducati is just sitting in the naughty corner waiting for an opportunity. GS1000 is on the move, and the new tank for basket case I've made a bit of a start on. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.